Hello students, today we will continue with our English grammar chapter 6 adjective. In our previous lesson we have learned what is adjective and kinds of adjective. Now we'll see degree of comparison of adjective. Read the following sentence. Shekhar is a strong man. Hardik is stronger than Shekhar. Amit is the strongest of all. So, in the first sentence, the word strong states the quality of Shekhar as a man. So, first sentence is what? Shekhar is a strong man. So, the word strong states the quality of Shekhar. In the second sentence, there is a comparison between two persons where the quality of Hardik is better than the quality of Shekhar or of a higher degree. So in the second sentence, the comparison between two persons is given. The quality Hardik is stronger than Shekhar. So here we get to see the quality of both these person, Hardik and Shekhar. In the third sentence, comparison is made between three persons in which the quality of Amit is the best of all and is of the highest degree. So third sentence is Amit is the strongest of all. So in this also third sentence what we see, it is given that Amit is the strongest, he is the best of all, means it is trying to tell us the quality of Amit, he is of the highest degree. Hence every adjective of quality has 3 degrees. Positive degree when we speak of only one person. Comparative degree when we compare two persons or things. And superlative degree when we compare 3 or more person or things and one is having the highest degree. See, we have learned positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So that only it is given here. Positive, comparative and superlative. Strong, stronger, strongest. Formation of the comparative and superlative degree of adjective. Most adjective form their comparative degree by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. For example, bold, bolder, boldest. So, comparative degree of bold is bolder and superlative degree of bold is boldest. Now the comparative degree of sweet is sweeter, sweetest. Comparative degree of clean is cleaner, cleanest. Comparative degree of clever is cleverer, cleverest. Cold, colder, coldest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Quiet, quieter, quietest. Dark, darker, darkest. Near, nearer, nearest. When the positive degree ends in a vowel, only R is added for the comparative degree and ST is added for the superlative degree. Positive, comparative and superlative. Now first one is given brave. So the comparative degree of brave is braver. Superlative degree of brave is bravest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Safe, safer, safest. Large, larger, largest. When the positive degree ends in Y preceded by a consonant and the Y is changed to IER for the comparative degree and to IEST for the superlative degree. Now, first one is given tiny. So here in place of Y, if we write here IER, so we'll get the comparative degree of tiny, tiner. Then in place of R, if we add ST, so it will become tiniest. So tiny, tinier, tiniest. Funny, funnier, funnier, funniness. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. In some words, the last letter is doubled and ER is added for the comparative degree and EST for the superlative degree. Now first one is given sad, sadder, saddest. Hot, hotter, hottest. So in some word, what we do? We add ER or EST. For comparative we add ER and for the superlative degree we add EST. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Words which have two syllables form the comparative degree by adding more before it and the superlative degree by adding most before it. Now one word is given, positive degree word, and when we add before that word more, it will become what? Comparative degree, and when we add most, it will become the superlative degree. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Careless, more careless, most careless. Important, more important, most important. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Active, more active, most active. Some commonly used words form their comparative and superlative degree in an irregular way. Positive, comparative, superlative. Now, good, well. Better, best. Bad, ill. Worst, worst. Much, many. More, most. Odd, old, older, elder, oldest, eldest. Far, farther, farthest. Late, later, latest, last. Up, upper, uppermost. Little, less, least. So these are some commonly used words form their comparative and superlative degree in an irregular way. So such type of word also we have come across. Now next is your this exercise. See all this whatever definition along with the example that you have to write in your notebook. Now this exercise number 6b. 6b, complete the following sentence using your own idea. The princess was dash as dash. The princess was dash then dash. The princess was the dash among all dash. So use your own idea and write the comparative, positive, comparative or superlative, whichever suits in this sentence. Read the following words and name the degree of comparison shown by each. Good, better, best. So this you have to write in proper way. Good, then better, best. So good is what? Positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is superlative degree. Bad, worse, worst. Complete this comparison. As white as dash, as blue as dash, as green as dash, as black as dash, as red as dash, as bright as dash. So this you can do, very easy it is. Next is rewrite the following by changing the degree of comparison of the adjective. Now rewrite the following by changing the degree of comparison of the adjective. Now first one is given, you are the greatest of all the king. Now greatest, this is the superlative degree. So here you have to change the degree and rewrite this sentence here. So the positive degree of greatest is great and comparative is greater. Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the most greatest ruler in the world. Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. My wife, Mrs. Buster, is smaller and slimmer than I am. The Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man has ever heard. You are stronger and smarter than her. Bandits are not as skilled as you are. Assam tea is the most famous in the world. The Palau Lake is the biggest in Mizoram. I am Nagaland, one of the smallest states of India. Mount Saramati is the highest peak. Mercy was more valuable than a king's crown. An apple is not as juicy as an orange. School was the greatest waste time of all. So this exercise you have to solve in your workbook. Those who don't have workbook, write down in notebook the definition, the examples and this exercise. All students are requested to do this homework and submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.